Good morning, class 5. How are you guys doing? I guess you all are doing great. So today is the 3rd of September. 2 days to go for Teachers' Day, and it's not that I'm telling you to, I'm asking you or informing you that I need a wish from you. It's okay. I'm asking you, requesting you to wish those people who are unacademic teachers. Academic is all about school education, academics, books, learning, and academics. Non-academic teachers are those who are not related with you in the school, but they teach you, not tuition masters. They are also doing a part of the academic after academic session. They just go ahead and guide you. But I'm talking about your parents. They are the main teachers of your life. They are the gurus of you, and and something, if anyone has taught you anything that you have learned, even if you have learned cooking from someone, from your auntie or your uncle or anyone, even from your brother or your younger brother, or you, if you have taught your younger brother something, he's learned something, or your younger sister or your relatives or your cousins, anybody, XYZ, so then you must thank them, and you must teach them also to thank you if anybody has learned it. So anyone learns something from anyone, that means that other opposite person has taught that person something, right? Or shared some information which has been any great help to you. So that's what I'm saying. So the first thing, you get up in the morning on the 5th of September and touch your feet of your parents, take blessings. They are the best teachers of your life. They'll be always there with you, no matter what. They will be always there at your back, and they're going to take care of you. So you must always respect your parents, and they are the most important gurus in your life. We are secondary. I am secondary. I call myself secondary because I am only there with you for few hours. Here I'm only there with you for 20 to 22 minutes. Basically, if you follow my videos, I am on that high range. Sometimes I give 3 videos, 4 videos. Generally, I go above that timing. You must be following me. Sometimes, because of the net issues, I am not able to record in the right timings, but I am always there. But for this specific time, right? Also in the school, I am there with you for a specific time, but rest of your time you are with your main gurus who have brought you into this world, right? So they ought to get respect, and that when you start respecting them in the right proportion way, then only they are going to they will never mind even if you don't respect, because they are your gurus. They are the actual gurus, you know. Sometimes, you know, when you don't say good morning to a teacher returns back, "Ah, why did you pass this side? You don't know how to wish." That is teaching you that whenever you pass someone, or you are passing your senior person during a morning thing, even if you are walking in the morning, make it into a habit, you know. You're walking somewhere. See, I'm just trying to motivate and trying to giving you the positive issues of side of life of being a good human being. Nothing else. It's nothing to do with the book. But at the same time, yes, I will come to the book. Today I am on English folder reader literature. Okay, so the English folder literature, the reader part, actually the reader, my English folder literature reader. We are on the Lonely Soul, page 54. So that has a connection to what I'm saying. So don't forget that. Touch their feet, take blessings, and always try to learn as much as you can from them. They will give you the basic ideas of human life. I can teach you how to be a good human being, but I will teach you the ways during that time, specific time. But inside that also, you have to do your studies. But the rest of your time, this lockdown, this is the best time, you know. God has given us this time, and yes, it is a negative issue, that it is a negative part. It's caused a lot of loss, a lot of pain, lot of deaths, but uh, praise the Almighty that we are there with you, and you are safe, and you are there, and you have your parents with you, and you are able to spend time with them, right? So let's see the positive side of it. Negative is there, but every negative side has a positive side also. It may be on a proportion of the minimum percent or the highest percentage in the negative side, or the positive side may be having a lower percentage, but it does have a percentage of positiveness. So we should think on other ways also. We must see things in various angles so that we can understand actually what's the issue all about. you know so sometimes during this lockdown also, you feel lonely, right? Sometimes our inside our heart or our mind says, oh, I'm feeling so lonely, I wish I had all my friends and all. In the school we have fun, pushing that, pushing this, biting this, pulling that, hiding her book, hiding his book, taking the rubber, taking the pencil, screaming, shouting, laughing, that life. So from that life, daily active life, sometimes you do feel lonely, right? If you have elderly grandparents at your home, you'll see them sometimes sitting quietly. They think, they just look at you, but they're not talking to you, but they're thinking. Sometimes you see an old person walking on the road, and talking to himself or herself. So she or he, whoever, whoever, elderly person or any person walking on a long road alone, when sometimes people walk alone, they think. Majority is all about sorrow, and 20% is about happiness. But the sorrow comes first always to the mind, then the happiness. That's because we don't think about happiness. We are always thinking about the negative side. We always think, what are we losing? While we are losing, at the same time there is a gain also in life. We gain a lot. And being alone is not bad, right? You have seen me. I don't talk to anybody. I don't speak to anybody. I talk to myself. I listen to myself. I laugh. I look into the mirror. I laugh on jokes, and I laugh at my status. I go on to some funny movies, comedy movies, and I watch and I laugh. Enjoy life. When I'm walking on the road also, yes, I do become lonely. I think about things which have in the past. Your past always haunts you. Anybody. So old people generally have sorrows in their mind. They think about the sorrows. Sometimes they talk to themselves. So this is a poem, this Lonely Soul, and this is about written by Raphael Ernest Grail Armato. He was a politician, a Ghanaian from Ghana, Africa. Doctor, author, poet, and politician. He was nominated for the 1949 Nobel Peace Prize and was a campaigner for the unification of British and French Togoland. Now, I'll not go into that basic thing. It's going to take more time. In the next class, I'll explain, or rather, instead of explaining I'll explain the poem, and after that we'll go to the poet, because we must know who the poet is. Why did he write this? The poet also must have written the Lonely Soul. That means he must be lonely. He knows what is the loneliness feeling. Then only he can write, isn't it? So this is how it is done actually, basically. So I'll come back in the next video and I'll explain it to you. Don't go away. I'll be right back.